Hi, y'all. Y'all like my bandana? I'm wearing black to go to a garden shop, y'all. Isn't that dumb? Put my little cartilage piercing in. I don't know why my neck's always red right here. Anywho's, we are on our way for our big day to the Home Depot. We're going to go stop at Walmart just to look at some shirts and Sam's Club. And then we're coming back home, y'all. Say hello, Booga.
Hello.
All right, y'all. Get ready to come with us on our journey. I know you could put that on the bottom. Wait a minute, Booga. This is 2 for $16. How much is that one? That's $10 for one bag. Wait a minute. This is 4 for $10. Want to just get a couple of those?
It's looking dry.
Aren't these flowers gorgeous, y'all? Look, we didn't look over here. They're pretty.
It's just the same as my tattoo.
How much is that? $18.98. How do they bloom all summer? I could leave them in that pot because it's a hydro planter. That'd be pretty sitting over there on the other side of the house. $28.
It's beautiful.
Yes.
There's a little plant over here.
God, look at these money trees, how big they are. Do they have a baby monstera over here? Aww.
There's another one right here, but it doesn't look that big. That little baby one's over there.
Well, you should be pushing this. It's heavy for me.
It's a polka dot plant.
I've had those. They're hard to keep alive. I've had that one right there, too. But I mean, I guess if you Google and stuff. I gotta get some seeds, green beans. Look at these cute little guys. Is this where you got yours from? Look at this little guy. Look how unique. Hold that so I can take this little picture. I like him.
I don't have enough cactus.
Huh?
I don't have enough cactus.
Those are pretty too. How much are the hanging baskets? Those are gorgeous. 40 bucks.
Those are big.
$40. That's beautiful right there. Right there, y'all. Well, you are in a garden center. Isn't she beautiful, y'all? Here we are at the car wash. By the car wash. Now, y'all, we look kind of dumb. You see the sky? Well, look at all these other people. It's supposed to rain, and I don't think it's supposed to rain today. I don't know. Anyway, my car is dirty, and I need to go ahead and just get it a quick wash. I need to clean the inside too. Y'all, I got to get brakes on the back. I'm going to have to get rotors because I ran them too long. And I got to get an oil change. And I really dread spending that money because that's going to cost a lot, having to get the rotors changed too. My fault though. I mean, I didn't know I even needed brakes. We just started hearing like airplane noise. I was like, what is that? Now, if I was driving every day and all that, I would have already gotten them changed. But with me working from home and all, unless I have a doctor's appointment or unless we're going to do something, I don't really go anywhere. So I don't drive a lot. Here we go. We're going to be going in the car wash now. Y'all are going to get to see it. All the beautiful little colors. Soap already getting on the window, y'all.
What's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city light. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags legs and get in that